Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
go back again.
Yeah. I walk back on the street, girl, so it's a shaky. Yeah, you know what I mean? Wow. Upstairs I build up. Club. Wow. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So yes, guys, as you can see, it's been raining. So we're getting a lot of rain here, you know, so you know the thing, but no matter what, rain, snow, hailstone, any type of thing, the work have to continue, you know. So I need to drop off a donation from Jamaican grandpa, you know, for Father for the Year that he give me as well, which is the name was also on the list also, you know. So as you can see, look at the yard, it's wet. Even the Bob Marley ex-house came down as well. Father for the Year. Oh, go on. Think of him.
Yeah.
Hello, Sanet.
Hello.
High five.
I work on finger then.
I work on the finger then. Yes, man. How are you using it?
They call it a merengue, me drink for morning.
Drink the merengue at morning time.
At night time.
Good, because I see you look much better now than before.
Yeah. Plus, I'm about to start saying me. I hear about the merengue that I want to use. I drink it more than night.
Yeah. I start.
I'm going to put no sugar in
No sugar, just like that.
Yeah.
And start creating.
And the young part, see, the part push up first. And the part, the young part.
Oh, for the merengue?
Yeah.
Oh, the leaf?
Yeah.
Oh, so just cut as much and just
Yeah.
boil it.
Yeah, man.
Bitter though?
Not really.
Not really.
You see it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. And a good thing that now. So as we can see, big changes,
Yeah.
guys. Look.
Man, see?
You know? So much more better.
Yeah.
And see what natural herbs can do. Yeah, man, just continue drinking the same. Even though them say that thing we can thin out your blood, you know.
Yeah, man, have to cause some milk on it around 3 weeks now. So now come off it a week, yeah.
Yeah. And you have to come off it with you can just eat space.
Yeah.
Like, you know, every other day.
Me I drink it like a sweet roxas too.
Yeah. But you can't do it like every other day. Because me hear them say it can thin out your blood.
Yeah, man.
You know, serious
on
that
the
is.
internet, man, say it can thin out it. But although you drink it.
Oh, yeah,
you know?
drink it, yeah. So if you space it within them times, that means it will be alright. Because you don't want to stop right now.
No.
Because you see it work wonders, so you want to do the right thing. Shanette, how is everything? How is school?
School's okay.
It's okay? Lovely, right? You're being a good girl there. Okay. Shanette put on well for weight till her face get fat. So her face get fat. You've been eating off all the food. You finished the barrels already?
No.
No? Too much. Okay, you speak to Mitch?
Yeah.
Michelle? You want to say hi to her?
Yes, hello, Miss Mitch. I hope you're having a good day.
That's Michelle, you know, thank her so much. Because them day I passed by, I have a donation with Jamaican grandpa, you know. Because him sent a list of names with who I want to get, and your name is also on the list.
Yeah, so.
You know, which is His name is Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican grandpa. But big up yourself, you know, and most respect to you, you know, is it? They say, your grandpa. And big up yourself for that still a name there. Yeah, come respect a name there still. Yeah? Give thanks to where you give me still, isn't it?
Yes, it's 5,000 from Jamaican.
Big up yourself and respect where you do for me still, see? Like coming a meaningful way right now still, isn't it?
Yeah, man, because we always appreciate.
Yeah, I say things said still, you know? Everything come, isn't it? A time when you need certain things, isn't it? So,
You can see, you can see the season is all weather season,
weather season.
rain season. So Shanette, you want to thank Jamaican Grandpa?
Yep, thank you, Jamaican Grandpa. That really appreciate it. Yes, I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Hey, Shanette's coming up a long way, you know, on this program, you know, from then till now.
Yeah. And me and Shay go back now hospital.
May?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of checks?
2 parts, you know. I broke up us.
Am I gonna break it?
Yeah, I broke back them 2 parts. Up on the top. So, that's why I see so because medication, I have to push it on her. You should take it. And yeah, the greens, the carrot, cabbage, and popchow, and some other more things we have been practicing on my life.
So what they're gonna do? They're gonna break it and set it back straight.
Straight.
So this is gonna be the last.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see, Shanette.
So them go buy one wire. One wire for it to go in.
Oh, you go buy the wire for them put in it?
More lines over there.
Okay.
But them not give me wire still because them say me not forget the wire.
Oh.
People have receipts and the operation come, they give them on them send.
And them send feed.
Yeah.
Okay. So this will be the last operation.
Yeah. That's how them tell me.
Yeah, that's where it should be, you know. So this is the final stage because down there so that already straight.
Yeah.
So just up there so now and should be good. But it's been a journey, you know.
Yeah, but you know.
It's been a journey.
Yeah,
It's been a
from
journey.
day one, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know. I mean, we must appreciate it, right?
Yeah. From where it coming from,
Yeah, man.
you know.
Yeah,
Coming from, it's coming from far away from how it was now, and it's gonna even get so much better right now. You know, so which is should probably just, you know,
Yeah.
hold for like a couple of weeks or you know, a couple
Yeah, and
months.
I really, because since you go to the operation, I just the drugs, the mother want to say, be out and she come home the other
Just
day.
come on that day.
So, she can walk on it and maybe she go to school, because I don't feel like the mother can't see her way down still.
Okay. That's up at the top them
People
okay.
put her up on my back, because that means I say, okay, I go down to school, is it? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, she goes to school, isn't it?
Yeah, man, like that. And she's doing well in school, right?
Yeah, very well, isn't it? Very well.
Of course.
So I don't want she goes and do her for school now.
So
Although when she admit, if I get the school work and cry about school,
MC. Yeah. But on tablet, she have tablet, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So Shanette, what you want to become when you get older?
An actor.
You want to be an actor? Wow, big movie star. Yeah, you want to be an actress. That's nice. You have a passion for acting. So you can do some drama in school, right? Yeah, you have to do some drama to get your acting skills up and everything. They can start. Yeah, who knows? I might be watching you on my TV, you know, playing a big role, spoken. Yeah, them top English, in them top English movie there.
Yeah.
Yes, get the speakers them out.
Can't believe I Shannon at all.
Don't it?
Look at Shannon, no idea.
Yeah, time fly, you know, time really fly.
Yeah, man. Time now wait for no man, you know.
Yes.
Time a lot need idea.
Yes. Time. Well, the building is coming down. Building is coming down. So somebody still live on the building over here?
Yeah.
Upstairs. You're not afraid, man? You're not afraid? But it's not stable, because you can see that's not stable. You know, because you know if Melissa breeze really passed through here the other day.
part of the way, see?
Mm-hmm.
That's how it is.
Yeah, that's not stable. Him brave though. Brave.
My sick brother,
Oh, he's a brother?
yeah, my brother, man, Nicky.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So you not advise him?
Man, some of the man is stubborn, you know, nah, him.
Not care.
Yeah, keep let her home down the kitchen on time. Man say, nah, go down
Nah,
there.
go down there.
Very much that still.
Yeah man, that not stable at all guys. That can literally come down at any moment.
You want to help him even push up at this, they call the ceiling, flooring, and go down. Then we could have got something to push up.
But listen, the whole house literally is coming down. It's not even safe to be in there at work for anything at all.
Let me tell him, because enough time I myself, because sometimes I like going and me go help him for it. I'm sure I never want to come near the building, you know.
Yeah.
We was just maybe this me look at him more,
Rain's coming back down as well now. Rain will come back down 30. Yeah. Pure rain, but father for the year. Like I run there in the car, so rain will come, so you know the thing go.
Man has respect, you know.
Yeah.
Ching. Yeah.
Shanette, bye-bye.
Bye.
High five, take care, okay?
You too.
Alright guys, so apparently we're getting some rain and the rain is literally coming back down again, you know, so I'm gonna be heading out. It's been a lot of rain. Wow, rain will drop on the camera. Pure rain we're getting over here, man. Pure rain, so yeah man, so blessed love guys, blessed love. Well, blessed love guys, blessed love. Another day here in Trenchtown. You know, another day here in Trenchtown. And we have Rasta Jackson there. Colors! Checking on colors because we have a donation for colors. Colors! Yeah. Look like colors is not here. Yeah. Colors is not here. Alright guys, so here one also. Colors is not there. Just a donation for you as well to an Oreos. Colors to get one more colors not there. So let me give you one. I want to get them one and then shop go. Go buy something for Cranberry then buy dog food for them.
Dog food for them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the dogs are up there.
Yeah. So Jackson, here is $5,000 from Jamaican grandpa.
Okay.
You know, from the USA.
Yeah.
Jamaican grandpa.
Jamaican grandpa, yeah. Give thanks and praise every time. Yeah, thanks every time. Huh? Enough respect, huh? Yeah. Every time, family. Yeah.
Alright then, so that is for Rasta Jackson from Jamaican grandpa. So I just saw Oreos as well too. So Oreos meant to get one. Colors is not here. Baja is not on duty today, and Prefect is not on duty. I'm still busy, man. I just get Oreos this and move. You know. What? But don't worry, not follow you, so but rain not follow from where I come from. I want to get them splash up on Spanish Town with but a DNG side there, so. Alright, so guys, so we have Oreos here. Stop this a little bit. So Oreos, so we have $5,000 worth to from put down for you from Jamaican grandpa from the USA. Jamaican grandpa.
Grandpa, one love, one heart, one aim, one destiny. Give thanks for this donation here because at the moment food bag like it empty. So he just drop back something night. So it's come the right time. Bless your love.
Yeah.
May your food bucket always be filled and never be empty.
Yeah.
One love, bless it.
Cool. That is it. Oh, so Baja just right there. Baja! Yeah. There up on the ground.
That 225. Yeah, 225.
I got sick.
Tell us something, John.
Barge at the right time to see you.
I have something there for me.
Yeah.
How we are say?
5 told me from
Yeah.
Jamaican grandpa
Jamaican grandpa.
from the US.
Yeah man. Jamaican grandpa. Blessings and thanks and love every time. This is when you cannot do for the lesser fortunate and something can come out long. I appreciate it man, and may your food basket never empty. And God will always provide and make your path clear. More strength and love to you man.
Yes,
All the way. Keep on doing the right thing and the good work. Same way.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man.
I will give thanks. So Jackson get female, so
Eh?
so
Yeah.
Yes, you a big part for me.
yeah, man,
Oh,
call
man, a
you.
big part.
Me have something to show you in the Rasta Jackson. Let me see you.
Hey, John, tell us Jojo. Tell us something, Jojo.
Alright, Johnny, a big part for him. Alright, Johnny. Johnny, you have a big part for him.
Yeah, my boy. What's your name? Where you going, you know?
Alright guys, so I'm on the next side of Trenchtown, here to come give Damari a donation, and then now we're going to get the dog food for Cranberry dogs, and then head back here because we got the donation to buy dog food, so that's the only thing we're going to do today, you know, get the dog food for them. Tamari! Where you going? Where you stay? Akeynote.
DJ Bomb, I'm waiting for this now. Yeah.
Where you going? Chilling. Oh, by your phone. Oh, I'm to your foot. Oh, okay. Let's try it out. So you feel though? Good. So the players coming on, you know? So the players coming real on. Yeah. Should I get the twin and earth? The twin and earth wire inside the red. The same white one there. And just run the whole light and done. Some of them pass can have a donation fee, or some of them pass through quick and fast. Because you never head back on the road. So you're studying good?
Under school, man.
Under school. Alright, so I have 8,500 here for you. From Auntie B, from London. I'm going to send this for you. 8,500. So.
Auntie B for
London.
Thanks, make your food basket like that. Very appreciate it and much love, you know?
Alright, so.
8,500.
Yes.
Yeah?
From Auntie B, from London. So guys, as you can see. Yes, I. Well, I'm going to see them as see there, you know, because I want them to never put it out yet because you're going to this guy. Yeah.
I buy one more drywall for black off the so
Oh, right, so you're buying a drywall.
see, I always black the pipe and then
Yeah, cut it off.
yeah,
Okay.
just black it out and
Black it out.
need a drywall.
So what do you say that cause problem?
No.
I just see what we.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like the color paint where you choose as well, too, you know? Sky blue. Yeah, I like the color paint still. So, guys, you can see the place coming on nice and fine, you know? So, you get your stove as well, too. Bossy. You know? You say that man, you start cook?
No, I buy one, I have the regulator and the hose.
The man get him stove. The man steam up him cabbage and him callaloo. Steam up him cabbage and him callaloo, you know. Or him just dry chair and just sit down and just steam. Cylinder. Quick and fast. Yeah, man. But you know what I'm inside here? Of course. Feel the heat. But you have the window closed, that's why I saw it, so now here now come out. The barely open, the way it open. You know, it's a part of your sabaja. Get a little partition. Part it there. But in a warm. But you have to keep the window open and at night you get somebody lock it back. And the way it is now, the air can't come out then.
That's a circular.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the window, put the bed that way there. That's the window, that means when the fan blow, the hot air always go out and fresh air.
Makes sense, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense, they put the bed down yourself to chew. You know?
Oh, where you need for though? You need to make one mesh.
Oh, why window?
Yeah. Yeah, and just leave it.
Yeah, man, we get him stool, we're going to start steam up, you know?
Yes.
To the right thing. Yes, alright, I'm saying Badger the man to go to one stone all time what they want to see the stone. Big fat stone. Big old stone, a real stone I tell about, you know.
Yeah, well, I see that. See me fried to surgery.
Give me a big C-section put on the
Yeah. So you know, so you have to drink up a crown water and this.
most water and
Water and things. Flush it. That them say. So straight water and flush the system.
Yeah, never know what's them stone the inside of you. Thick, like a real stone itself, you know.
Oh, we put in the cat cat. You have a super big. Yeah, because you see when them do that now, them have to do that. The one they are in the neighbor. Super big.
But the one you have to stay in.
You live with that one there? Yeah.
Because show them some bladder now function.
So now leave that one.
Yeah.
Shot damage of bladder there. So when we have people, what are people now come out? So it causes infection and build up the stone and everything.
Okay.
So that's why they have to do this over yourself.
Okay. You see that one? Go through, yeah.
Rough, you know,
Yeah, the man can help himself.
Yeah, you see, with that now, you know, so you don't have to adjust.
Yeah.
You know?
So you spread the bed by yourself? Okay.
Everything when I do for myself, you know, clean
Wash.
Wipe sometimes, wipe out, make some
Wipe out in here. Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm going to do everything for myself.
But the right thing for me can help yourself, that's the greatest thing as well. Because the way the bed spread like somebody will stand up, come in and come spread the bed and sit there, man.
It's okay, sir,
Fix it up, man. Yes, sir. Me, man, keep the thing going, see you, man. Yeah, have to. Alright then, Damari. You know what thing goes, so I'm going to run then, yeah? So,
What's up yourself?
Our keeper was there last night.
Sammy night.
Sammy then?
Yeah, man, TV up far.
About TikTok or somebody, TikTok without watching.
You see?
oh.
And I garnish. It's a God that cook over there,
Mm.
you know, my boy, I got dead yesterday, man. I went to Virgin and enjoy it, you know. Water.
That's what it was. The rain is coming down. Oh God, so it's like it's a rainy day today. Come in. You say a steam fish or a steam bird? Which one?
No man, I go steam fish and I go fry fish.
Yeah, fry. I got fry bird and steam bird.
I go soup. I want to fry when I do that.
Be a bird. Alright guys, so you're gonna head up New Kingston first to get the dog food.
Yeah, that one. Yeah,
We're gonna get the dog food.
Yeah. Fancy cat, you know. Fancy cat. I'm gonna see cat again.
No, say dog, they mash him up, man.
Dog, they mash him up.
We get back another one.
Alright guys, so I'm at the supermarket.
Love it, family.
The Easter bun is here. Coupons.
It's a national.
Here, but different style, all different style.
Which one you used to get? One, yeah. These are the bigger one, huh? It looks smaller. That's not price. Bring the two of them just in case. I don't see no price. Guys, so Miss G, you know, from New Jersey, you know, sent for us to buy dog food for the dogs from up there, you know. Dog food. Yeah, so she sent $3,000 a year to buy dog food, you know, for white nose and browning. So hopefully this will work.
Dog chow something like
the same one as well always get, though, the same brown one.
brown one, this one.
Another one. Hello. Well, no, I said no. It's a sample. Mingles. No,
man, that's me. I want that. Look.
Just you?
Yeah, man.
They're gonna put me in there.
It's okay, no? Pretty girl like that. Yeah, pretty girl like that.
Mingles with the mingles, wow.
Mingles, you know?
Tell me what you think about the mingles. You said mingling well?
This is already on the market.
It's already on the market.
We're on the market.
Yeah.
So what about these ones? These ones not for
I mean,
sample as well?
no, those aren't for samples.
Why
So because these are finished off the shelf, then you'd have to purchase this to receive one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not a good idea.
What do you mean?
We want some. Suppose you want some for this one.
No, he can't sample that one.
Excellent.
You like it? So I'm gonna take a bit of it.
That's nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Their place is hot. Yeah, man.
I want to share the owner. Alright then. Yes. So what it is?
You know? So got onion taste
Yeah, because
on it, you know?
radish.
Yeah, so I like the taste that I give me, you know? Yeah, it's a nice taste, man. Onion taste and soft like sponge, you know?
Only thing is short are some chicken back.
Alright, I'm going to should have the beef, you know, you must come so.
The sauce.
The sauce. Okay, man. Like you have 10 out of 10, man. Alright, man.
10?
Yeah.
You have to eat time for to say the belly hurts.
Yeah, man.
Oh, she said give it a 10. Oh, she said give it a 10 out of 10.
Onion taste.
And go to give it a chance to see if it works in the belly first, you know?
Onion bits, and
Say yeah. 10 out of 10. And let's go pay for this dog food and then head on.
You see the boy got on my head. See the boy.
Oh, that's open. How much is this? I don't know. There's no price on it. Okay. I'll put that going here. Yes.
Somebody jam me gun by your boy like it's a good kid.
So if you want to rob the kids then.
Really? Or just get the sample and say it tastes like it want. I think you want some gravy.
you want some dip?
Yeah, some
get
dip.
a glass of the dip, so you know. You can dip up and, you know, yeah, man. Look at the dog here.
The pan in charge.
Yeah. It's the way I deal with, man. Yeah. Powerful.
Man balling.
Yeah, man, ball, you can't come out.
No, ball, look that work.
So one time we like him can't go out. Yeah, move. Let's see like him can't come out. He's stuck in there.
Catch a man. I will catch a man.
Yeah, man, I'm broke up
I wanna judge you, brother, man. Brother George.
I think that him said one.
That one that go down the road, man.
Him, man.
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, we had a black pocket. Oh, yeah, flash. Oh. What's your kitchen, Baja? True. Eh? The bulb? Ah, the bulb for the problem. I show the roof. Picture.
Oh, show the pan. Oh, look on the pan. Look on the pan.
No, I feel them on, man. I see them happy so, man.
Show the pan.
Watch it. I was the tail and waggle.
Look upon it.
Yeah, man. The tail and waggle. Watch it.
Is it so?
Whoa. No, I feel our one, man.
Yeah. Sure, stop the punishment.
Hey, boom, get a drop as well. You said the concrete broke off it, boom. How the yard looks, so?
It's dark.
Stock, huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Oh, me? Alam you?
Yeah, but I'm not me.
Go and put down one top over there. Go and put down one top over there.
I say if you do that, come here and come back.
Yeah. Dana, how's
You want to do the place on the
no oak garden?
No, man.
No oak garden. How old are you, Dana? Stop act like you're sleeping. You're not sleeping. Coco. Senisha. Peter picks and I picks up on the eye though.
Oh,
This man, this man is genius, so that's what I'm going to say, you know. I want to smell it. Fast.
Okay, for more.
Toko Loco, Laska Toko.
Toko, what go on? Toko.
She see me, I can run go pick up broom.
No?
Yeah.
No? How long we are sweeping?
Which part? So much way where you start.
I mean, sweep up where long as I sweep over the Akeynote.
Where?
I thought I sweep the rubbish over there. My mother said she go sweep them.
No, sir.
Toko Loco. Laska Toko.
Another dog moving.
Alright. Go for the comb. Pull out it.
Sorry, go and pick one, pull it here. Go on. I'm coming now, go on.
I'll be comb, pull out it. Yeah.
Wow, so you can't see this one, you can't see this one. It's gone in this one, gone in this one, gone in this one.
So no lose all the pines them. No lose all pines to go to. Everyone always are upgrading. And if we go start back all over again for build up pines. Right, Nana? And if we go build up back pines. Yes, Miss Toko. Watch here. Watch here in the kitchen, no star. We start all over again. And I don't have no pines again. I'm surprised you know though. Never know I'm coming.
I'm mama tell me say I come. Everybody know.
Never know I'm coming.
Because I take saying for your phone.
Never know I'm coming.
Everybody know. Because my mother say only clean up your car when you say clean up. Everybody know you are coming. You can go and hide. Because I say him first. And the green shirt alone can tell me say uncle.
So if you do alright, so if you know me I come, so why the yard not sweep up?
No, look no clean up. We are clean up inside.
Yeah. Is that so?
Yes. Yes, yeah, she in there.
Is that so? Nana know what I go on, Nana know what I go on though.
We don't make one art.
An ad? It's a whole heap of ad.
No, put it something there. Content. We'll bring it tomorrow because the price will start off about.
Oops.
No, they watch. You see what I window when you see that yard, see them back. No, him take them out and say, I take out them one, they go on.
That one may not know have no window.
Yeah, that one don't have no window. So what the bike do though? You know what the bike? Yeah, with the bike. I think I'm gonna have to go cut it.
Yeah. Right.
I take up the knife off of the ground and throw the knife out.
And pencil.
And pencil.
The cucumber, they definitely eat the cucumber.
That's Kotoko.
Eat the cucumber. They will never eat the cucumber.
Toko Loco. That's Kotoko.
Alright, drop it. They will push out now.
I'm almost ready.
Drop it. They will push out.
You know, they something got that ears up the short of it. Them are who short of it.
Tara will go and travel. Are you this
how will you go up there again? How will you go up there, sir? Something there? A boom. I hear you say, hold. Boom. Hey. No, I'm just. Some people in down at night and think of the man up there, so upstairs you must have. Yeah. So you can see the house door, the glass. There? You should go pick off that.
Camera, pass the bucket cover. See her there, so.
They're not getting enough food. They're not getting. They're not getting enough food. Oh, want to buy my cat? Me not care about dogs.
Oh, them kill the cat.
kill me, so kill me.
Bring come Tara. Tara. Bring come.
This man is never go for the cat from over there. So I'll tell them dog over there for the cat in a. Watch out. What I saw the cat like a bleed.
What the knife to wait up a while?
Mama feed to her so we're not paying.
The bad boss.
Where knife? Go for knife.
Them not go get no wall you know that dog you know. Now father now go give me. Excuse me.
This dog food is from Miss G. From New Jersey. Thank Miss G for the dog food.
Thank you, Miss G from New
Jersey.
Thank you so much and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
The neighbor weird question.
How long them
you have to take it up in your hand first.
Take it up.
Take it up.
No, what can I wait? No, what I do.
Alright.
More, now give them more than that?
No, give them this. At that side of the door. Put it together. Make it soaky.
They eat and drink water.
Yeah.
Watch me run. Two of them are going to worry.
So the puppy there, so the puppy now get no.
No, them are worry. We are giving dog. Yesterday dog get all the woman look a puppy them killing the woman look a puppy you know. The woman puppy I kill her when I kill him I think come like dog I say you George big look a puppy them and I feed them. Kill it.
Well, and them used to it man, cause I used to come get them man. I feel so white nose they get so big one at a time and fluffy.
What kind of bob that white nose? Like him have cancer.
Yeah, quick and fast. So we thank Miss G from New Jersey, you know, for the dog food for the dogs then. Thank Miss G and
Miss G, thank you so much and may God bless you.
Right. So
come and tell you right there. You know me I can listen. Look right there so.
no, Tara, no, you can't, you know, your bell foot. Tara, in your bell foot. Bell foot here, where? Yeah. Watch there. No left.
Push all the cover and drop up all into the ground.
Say, no left.
Ching. When I must fall the back same time.
Nothing. You must search for some 1 and 2, so you find another single one there. No left. Yeah. So imagine them I eat this and I drink the river water now.
Yeah, don't let's hear.
So now boom aside and we go.
Oh,
What?
$100
I want 20 feet in a river. I want 20 feet river. That's why I'm working about 3.
Yeah. Everything balance out. Everything balance out.
Hey, little girl. Hey,
No, we can drink water now. We can drink water.
But look at the person now. I just eat it for
Yeah. Drink water. So you have to feel like a puppy out of that.
No, give them over a cat one. All of them got me together, them and go. So want to walk with cat too?
Well,
yeah, man.
Which cat?
The cat. Him can eat out some more time.
You have more cat?
One. This one. Him so friend, him have cat. So you know, so we have to breed a cat. I'm going to give a big cat. But I'm going to give them because I'm not allergic to them. No, I don't care. I put my cat in my box.
No, allergic.
No, Kina. I have one bag of cat safe. Like, I'm going to give away the cat. I have a big cat same way. So if you breed up, we still give her some same way. Like, oh, we give Shappy it. Like, we give 30 grand one time. No, cat, you know.
No. And I feel that we should lose points.
And I just still have to take up some of them, you know, because they have one taste and go on. But come back get some test paper. I talk up, tear them and cut them up. I'm going to tell her to clean them up, say for loose pines.
Yeah, them loose pines are only for pines.
Yeah, if you come back, you have to saw the eye clear up.
Loose pines that all I'll talk of Velskash loose pines.
Daddy.
Talk of.
You know, so I wash me that wash river and one man make me come up. One mad man. The man I go to my brother, you know, say, may I tell you, come like Almighty work it out right, because my brother normally come look for me and him come look for me.
And take up the knife and go down at the fan and go and stab the man.
And the man come up here now, and my brother have to say, yo, no, they can't enter the yard, because that help me bring a bucket, because see me I bring another bucket and that help me bring it. So my brother say, you know,
go back down. I have 4 knees up here, I don't want nobody up on me yard.
So where him come from, that man?
Come on, supposed to stand by himself.
Oh.
But come like him, I get off.
Well, keep him modest to himself as a Melinda.
And Georgie juice him take up on him bread.
Yeah, man,
We said Georgie come over here.
Charge out here now. Let's see like she left the she come back Kingston. She get reach back down.
Who?
Melinda.
Me no know.
Yeah, where man name again?
Pisces or something like so. Yeah, something like so me and my boy call him.
No, long for me. Because give me a clean.
Nah, loose pines.
And then when I there tomorrow.
Well, that's good for her.
She look at her.
She don't want to go.
Tara said she want to go today.
When the money is paid for yesterday.
I know, yo.
No,
we still can't send it Friday because some of my people are sending Friday. I true, how we can
go with me now, make you go away now. And me and you have to go.
She not go.
Oh, she make sure she not go.
I try right now, I go on the trip.
Make sure you not go.
I just put the ply them in there, so in the bedroom and there.
Why, Salatex them?
Yeah, the Salatex.
Put it. You know she not come with me. She
No,
can't.
can't at the bed.
They never hear that long time.
Come and pull out here. Come the man. Come the man. And nobody ramp with me. Come the man. Pull out here, the man. Come the man.
Put them up, sit down.
Oh. Yeah. I'm a lot.
Lock them as well.
I post Tara to tear up them paper here, sir.
Toko.
Loco.
The scissors for my hide from her.
Hey, Toko.
Just let them lose the whole them pines to go.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, stop it. Just stop it now. We are going to give you one more chance. That is how it is.
Alright, you take the paper now.
Tell us you need 100 points and just lose 20.
15.
Out of 20.
We have 15 minutes.
The four good bags.
Sure. Eh?
The 4 of them good.
Alright, let me see. This are
Are they over here, so?
2 that. So, yeah, man. That work. Yeah, man, that good.
4 work.
Yeah, man, that good.
Go treat her, uncle, no.
No, man, I do the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Daddy, me love you. Hello, Daddy.
You working as a one.
So you need them out to get.
How well am I? Inch and a half? Yeah. 2.5. Yeah, man, that good. That good.
Today we are playing something about TV, you know, Kina.
They will stop coming.
You know, Kina, we are use control and play something like for kill, man. Our uncle.
You buy when you to 1 inch head nail.
You there on the list?
Yeah, man,
check
if you nail up and strip them.
Check around right now.
They might look like one of the parts.
That way the send room, but.
Yeah, man, tonight.
Tonight.
Two inch then, yeah.
2 inch, yeah. Another one supposed to.
Well, we use
Check and take more than that.
2, 3 fucking there.
inch and a half. Yeah, man. It's in there. Eat up.
Yeah.
We'll find the same about the Kina. Move the door them like them, yeah. Because when they're there, we can't see for those two. What you say?
Move them and put them here. I will stay inside.
No, that outside him I say like him put it around the man room and when we done see about this up, him push them back like him say. That's why you see the son of sweet son.
But Toko.
We're not for cut up the paper.
And I Toko, the scissors.
Let's go, Toko. Come take them up, Toko. Go on, go take them up. How do it?
No, but take up my word. See my now.
I will do some.
See that?
That my teacher so
You only need to clean up the place. Surrounding clean.
Nana, Osha, oh Nana, make you lose pints. I look how them do the yard.
Come, I'm not asking the people. You can't smell it now, then you have to go out.
Man, them go up there yesterday and the man say, oi.
Let them do, man. Let them do.
When me got them, you say that to me.
One time them right now, them tap me for a quick one.
I don't think I say that because while you go up down feeling, you can't say, oh.
What a life on your toko? Cranberry?
I get rid of it, that's when I have them. Toko!
Toko! Tara, Nana. What?
Come tell them, go take up them. Go take up paper them. But the test paper them, you know, Cranberry get one bag of them. Come tell them, put them in a charge them and use them. Nobody no drop
Out, done. Out.
This is why all chefs sit down right down there.
Okay, I make a way now, you know. Alright, I'm leaving you, guys, I'm leaving. Toko, now have no more pints, okay? So now we're going to build up back on the pints by keeping the place clean.
Safe journey, uncle.
Yeah.
Rasta.
Yeah, Tara Banks.
To the gang down.
Nana, listen, are the paint that?
Come here.
That one there. Paint tonight?
We don't want.
Put it away, please. Because I don't want to burst it.
I see, local talker. Are you?
Kenny shop.
That again? Come on,
Put it away, because I don't want to burst it.
Let me see that.
Go up them, sit down on them.
They know my phone already.
Yeah, they show me the phone.
They know my phone. The same phone me always. Okay, they show us who have got the same phone me always a mash up here.
So your brand?
It's my first time phone me have from long time.
Nana, bye, Nana.
It's the first phone.
Brand.
Tap it nice.
Mommy.
Right now.
They lose all them points, you know, because they come out of the yard is in a mess and everything, you know, so points loses from also the mom and everybody lose points. So, I say sometimes the good always suffer for the bad. Poor Nana. Nana vex because they make Nana lose her points. When they make Nana vex, Nana lose all points. Yeah. Because them say them want to go Hope Garden, them say them want to go Devon Downs, but if them can't keep the place clean, them cannot go. So you tell them, say them have to reach up to 100 points. You know, each time I come here, they will get points if the place is up to standard. You know, so they lose some points because of the place was, and now them lose all points. So I'm going to start all over again. Because the yard was, oh no. So the mother as well to have to play her part to help them to assist, and she also.
Kina about 3 o'clock, Kina, you and your brain like Kina. Kina, put you a Brasa Jackson, where you going to do? Kina? That is the show where you have the show. That is the show where you have the stand up. Oh, let's have a body dog everywhere. My put stand up there. Oh, let's go to stand up. Saya cuma yang lupa orang. Lupa rasa tak dia. Awak nak pula awak tadi pun berat ni kan. Awak nak saja. Dia pula dah orang sangat dia. Ada rasa jatuh. Apa satu sekata. Sorry kalau sekata. Ini yang luar biasa like. Yeah, I'm trying to see you. Yeah? I've been just 30 years, son. That. And that's all 30 years. No? So let's see go up in my home button, no. But that's come over my I'm a big here, right? I'm 2. How was I paying you? $2,000. Put that over here, and then put your pearl again. Vale. I answer the Joe. Yes. What have you said? That's what we help people. Everybody.
Brother, look at the thing.
Daddy.
Taro. Let's go Toko.
Later.
Later, Daddy.
Later. Okay, later.
Tara.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.